Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this monster mouth one-way cootie catcher square, part square transforming duck beak mouth stress reliever, sort of. It's so many models in one, I can't count. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and some other stuff. But let me know in the comments if you find anything else that you can do with this. Now, want to learn how to make it? Here it goes. So you can start with just plain old printer paper that is cut square. To cut it square, you just fold it diagonally like that, and then cut it off like that, or from there you can just, I'll use this piece of scratch paper to show you. So you fold it diagonally, and then if you want to get scissors, you can cut it like that. And then if you don't want to get scissors, fold it like that. And then flip it over and reverse fold it, crease it sharply, and then make a little rip there and tear it the rest of the way. But I've already done that here because I just failed an attempt to do it. Mostly because the computer just completely crashed and stuff. So to start, what you want to do is you want to fold it in half. Hold on. Okay, sorry. And then from here, unfold it, and then fold to the middle. And then unfold it. Actually, yeah, unfold it. And then refold this. And then flip it over. And fold it. And then reverse fold it like that. And then fold it like that. From here, turn it like this and fold the edges in. So then fold it in half and then unfold it and fold the edges into the middle crease. From there, pick it up and reverse fold the middle crease like that. And there, you are done. And so now, to turn it into the cootie catcher, which is its original form, you find 2 flaps on the sides, 1, 2, and then under flap 2, put in either your thumb or your index finger. Then on the other one, take out the 2 flaps, and then put in your thumb or your index finger. Push it all the way in until your thumb reaches that point in the middle at the very top of the cone, and then what you want to do is just squish it all the way in like that and like that, and that is your little part cootie catcher thing, sort of. From there, and then it has this little edge up here, and you can unfold it and turn to a Y.
Okay, you guys have 20 minutes, I need you guys to change.
And stuff like that. But yeah, let us know in the comments if you have anything else that you can do. Bye!